there. Come on in out of that cold, Carolina winter weather. I'm Chris Brown. I'm your humble chimney sweep. Now that we've inspected your chimney, we need to take a few minutes and go over the chimney inspection report. So stay with me. Okay, now let's take a look at how these inspection reports read out. Upper right-hand corner is a legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation. Or E, not applicable. They're placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, you'll find my comments here below. All right, now let's take a look at your pictures of your chimney. Let's go over them picture by picture. So stay with me now. Oh, nice picture of the front of the house. Let's go up on top. Let's take a look at some of the rooftop pictures here. This is the living room chimney. You can see it has a chimney cap on it. These are old 60s, 70 model caps that were made up on the job site. No screen protection in here to keep the creatures out like birds and squirrels, but it does serve a purpose. It's keeping the water out and it's covering the crown of the chimney, so it does serve a purpose, and it's something that could be screened up by the painter when they come to scrape and paint the outside body or the chase of the chimney, which obviously it needs to be done. As we look in that living room, the same chimney, same fireplace, we're looking at the living room fireplace is a wood burner. It was built before dampers were invented, so there's no damper in here, no damper assembly. Somebody just shoved some newspapers up here to kind of block the heat and air conditioning from going up the chimney. And by the way, one of the dates on the newspaper was 1978, so I guess we can safely say that this fireplace hasn't been used since then. Missing some mortar in the profile area of the firebox, needs to be repaired with refractory cement. And also in the smoke chamber area, we've got lots of gaps here where there's missing mortar. One thing we don't want is gases and smoke to get into the walls of the house, which also goes along with that flue system with that fireplace. It's missing a whole flue section in here. Best remedy here is to run a slip form through here and just fill any cracks and crevices with refractory cement. And refractory cement is a code required product for building chimney liners. So it's a heat tempered mortar. It's just a fancy word. Den fireplace, another open wood burner. It has the traditional damper in it. This fireplace was built years after the house was built, and so it's a little newer fireplace. Smoke chamber is okay. That's the area above the damper. Not seeing any holes in here. Missing a little mortar in the firebox area. We've got some soft and missing mortar there, so that's something that can be repaired. Its flue system looks pretty darn good. It's modern. Flue joints look good here. If you folks have questions for me, give me a call, 704-526-6348. You can email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Thanks.